Everyone, it's Joanne. So you got to see this solution we came up with for our small bathroom to give us extra storage. This narrow bathroom storage cabinet is the answer to our needs. It's slim, it's stylish, and it was a really smart way to declutter the bathroom. This is only about 6.25 inches wide, so it perfectly fits between the tight spaces that we have here. It has an open shelf, which we can put extra toilet paper rolls in. It has two drawers. So the top drawer is small. We can put, bathroom necessities in there. The bottom drawer is a lot taller. So we can put cleaning supplies and other tall items in there. So it also came with wheels, but we didn't want to put them on there. We wanted to see how it worked without the wheels for a while. And so far it's been working really well. So it's easy to clean. You just wipe it down. It keeps it really nice and decluttered in here. The white finish matches our bathroom seamlessly. This is great for small spaces. You can use it in the bathroom like we have it here. You can use it in utility rooms. You can even put it in an RV if you need it. So it's really worked great in this bathroom to provide us the solutions that we needed storage and not take up too much space. We love it.